Timeline of how it got started. Let's explore how the web started and evolved over the years. Web 1.0 began in 1989, followed by Web 2.0 in 2005, and now we are in Web 3.0 since 2020. Web 1.0 was the first version of the World Wide Web. During this time, websites were simple, static pages mostly made up of text and images. Users could only read the information, and there was no way for them to interact with it. The web was mainly for reading content, and only a few people, called webmasters, created websites. A good example of this time was the first web page, created by Tim Berners-Lee on August 6, 1991. Web 2.0 brought a big change in how people use the internet. Websites became more interactive, allowing users to create and share content. Social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Wikipedia grew popular, and people could work together, share ideas, and communicate. The web became a place where people could participate and interact with each other. This was the rise of social media, with platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter leading the way. Timeline of web development. From the 1960s to today, web development has changed a lot since the 1960s.I in the 1960s. ARPANET introduced the idea of connecting computers, which laid the foundation for the modern internet. The TCP/IP protocol was established in 1983, and in 1989, Tim Berners-Lee introduced the idea of the World Wide Web, which allowed documents to be linked.I in 1991. The first website went live, created by Berners-Lee to share information about the web itself. The 1990s saw the start of essential technologies that made up Web 1.0.I in 1993. The Mosaic browser helped make the web more accessible by adding graphics.I in 1994. Netscape Navigator was launched, and JavaScript was developed to make web pages interactive.by 1995. HTML 2.0, PHP, and JavaScript were introduced, allowing for more dynamic content. In 1996, CSS, cascading style sheets, was introduced to give better control over the look of websites.I in 1998. Google was founded, completely changing how people searched for information on the web. In the 2000s, Web 2.0 focused on user-generated content and social interaction. After the dot-com bubble burst in 2000, platforms like Wikipedia and WordPress were created, allowing people to contribute their content. Ajax became famous in 2004, allowing websites to update content without refreshing the whole page. The term Web 2.0 became famous in 2005, showing a new phase of the internet that was more social and interactive. Amazon Web Services, launched in 2006, made cloud computing more accessible and lowered hosting websites' costs. The 2010s saw many developments, including HTML5 and CSS3, which improved mobile and responsive web design. In 2011, Bootstrap was released, making it easier to build responsive websites, and in 2013, single-page applications, SPAs, became popular. Facebook introduced React in 2014. JavaScript ES6, a broader community effort, was released in 2015, bringing new features and modernizing the language. Progressive Web Apps, PWAs, emerged in 2016, and Vue.js gained popularity in 2017. After these advancements, the focus shifted towards Web 3.0 and decentralized technologies. Today, we are in the Web 3.0 era, also known as modern web development and Web 3.0. The 2020s saw the rise of Jamstack architecture, which became famous for building fast, secure, and scalable websites using headless CMS and APIs. Google introduced Web Vitals to measure website performance, emphasizing user experience metrics. Frameworks like Next.js and Nuxt.js gained popularity for server-side rendering in 2021. In October 2023, Solidity became a vital programming language for developing smart contracts on Ethereum, marking an important milestone in blockchain technology. Web 3.0 represents an important step towards a smarter, decentralized web. It emerged to solve some of the problems of earlier web versions, such as limited privacy, the concentration of power among big tech companies, and security challenges. Built on blockchain technology, which records information securely and makes it difficult to alter, Web 3.0 focuses on transparency, ensuring straightforward, verifiable transactions and processes. For example, blockchain allows anyone to verify transactions, making financial systems more open and trustworthy. Security, protecting data and transactions with cryptographic solid measures. Privacy, giving users control over their personal information. Privacy was a major concern in earlier web versions due to centralized data control and frequent data breaches. Web 3.0 aims to solve this by decentralizing data and giving users full ownership of their information. It supports decentralized applications, DApps, cryptocurrencies, and smart contracts. AI and machine learning make this new web more responsive and personalized than ever. Key advancements in Web 3.0. Blockchain for decentralization. Blockchain technology removes the need for intermediaries, ensuring transparency, security, and trust in data and transactions. AI for intelligent experiences. AI helps create personalized user experiences, making the web smarter and more responsive to needs. Interoperability. Web 3.0 enables different platforms, systems, and networks to communicate effectively, creating a seamless user experience. Enhanced privacy and security. Web 3.0 empowers users with control over their data, improving privacy and ensuring safer online transactions. The Metaverse. The Metaverse is a virtual space that combines physical and digital worlds. Roblox, a social gaming platform where users can create and play games, is often considered a pioneer of the metaverse. It has over 200 million active users, making it one of the most popular gaming platforms worldwide. This slide highlights how Web 3.0 is enabling new kinds of immersive digital experiences like the metaverse, offering users ways to socialize, work, and play in entirely new ways. Congratulations on completing your first module. You've made great progress in understanding the history of the Internet. As we move further into the Web 3.0 era, the Internet continues to change how we live, work, and interact with the digital world. Decentralized technologies, AI, and immersive experiences are just the beginning of this exciting new chapter in the evolution of the web. Within this module, we covered a lot about the history of the Internet. There may be names or concepts that are not entirely clear. Here are 3 links to help you explore more about the timeline of the Internet. A Brief History of the Internet by Internet Society (ISOC). Historical Archives by World Wide Web Consortium, W3C. Explore the Timeline by Computer History Museum.